Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be turning my old twist into Faux locks. I will be using shine and jam to slick down the hair, a Brazilian wool, some candle and matches, and a scissor. I will cut the Brazilian wool just enough for me to handle, not too long or short, just like that. And then I will take only 2 strands and then create ends so that it will be easier to secure the locks at the end. Before I forget, please do subscribe, like the video, and let me know on the comment box if this is something you will try. So after creating ends, I'm just going to apply the shine and jam to slick down the hair so that it looks new. And then my tip here is, if you want to renew your hairstyle like this, then maybe do it after 2 or 3 weeks to avoid product buildup and hair loss, especially if you are not patient when detangling your hair after removing the braids. I will then make sure that one side of the wool is shorter than the other, and then place the shorter side on the braid from the roots, then wrap the wool around for about 4 or 5 times to fill up the natural hair growth, then move to the braided hair. I'll make sure that I do not leave any space while wrapping the Brazilian wool, and then I will add an additional wool as this one will not reach the end of the braid. So to make sure that the length of the locks is similar, I just make sure to measure using the previous lock and then cut the excess twist, just like that. And then I'll just extend using the Brazilian wool. And this is how I add the additional wool and continue wrapping. When I have reached the desired length, I will just tie using a small wool, then cut the excess wool. I will tie using the wool once or twice. And this is how it looks like after cutting. Then use some candle to seal. And to be safe here, please ask someone to assist you, especially if the locks are a bit shorter than this. And this is how the locks look like after braiding on the left, and on the right it's after 2 weeks. Please let me know on the comment box what you think about using a Brazilian wool to create Faux locks. To remove the hairstyle, I just cut the lock a bit far from where my hair is and just unwrap, then untwist, followed by finger detangling my hair before using a comb, and then that's it. So it took me about 2 to 3 minutes to remove completely one lock, and then I have about 28 of them, so you can do the math there. And then to actually wrap them per lock, it took me about, I think, more than 3 minutes. And another final step, I'm just gonna repeat it again, so please do not forget to finger detangle your hair first before combing it. And then if you see that there's product buildup, you can just mix water with your hair conditioner, and then it's gonna soften those products which were built up, and then you can then comb the hair. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe. And then I will see you on the next one. Thank you.